It helps run the Fortune Metaverse stage. Yet what is Magic? We should investigate and see what we can learn about this token, which is at last in light of the Ethereum blockchain, and furthermore analyze a portion of the Magic cost expectations that were being made starting around the 16th of December 2022. Magic made sense of. Something that stirred things up in the realm of cryptographic money all through 2021 was the metaverse. The possibility that you could participate in a virtual world and cooperate with it through your own computerized symbol was not really new. Yet improvements connected with blockchain innovation assisted make it a significant conversing with pointing as of late. That is until the bear market set in following the death of Land's stablecoin and Luna Crypto, the Chapter 11 recording of Celsius organization and the breakdown of crypto trade FTX. Something that aided concrete the metaverse as a piece of the crypto world was the development of non-fungible token. These bits of computerized workmanship have been despite everything or nothing to joke about. Their association with the metaverse is that many individuals decided to improve their piece of the virtual computerized world with NFTs, and this implied that they did a thundering exchange all through the final part of the year before. Something different that connects the metaverse with NFTs is the idea of the play to acquire game. Since NFTs have a genuine worth, honestly, one that is typically communicated as digital currency, a game that permits individuals to exchange and win such non-fungible tokens implies, likewise, that playing the game could bring in some true money. Accordingly, there have been various P2E games that have planned to draw in the consideration of individuals who need to benefit from their advantage in gaming, NFTs, and the metaverse. With so many around, it is, maybe, unavoidable that gathering a lot of them together in a sort of virtual metaverse gaming console is alluring. Treasure is one such stage. This help is intended to provide gamers with a progression of play to procure games and metaverses in one spot. As the framework's white paper says, Fortune is a decentralized NFT environment on Arbitrum that is fabricated explicitly for metaverse projects. Each blockchain-based stage requirements to have its own local digital money, and Fortune has the Magic token. This crypto is intended to be utilized all through the games on the Fortune stage. To cite the white paper, each undertaking recorded on Fortune's commercial center uses Magic in their particular metaverses, with every local area developing its own legend and narrating for this asset. Magic, the local badge of Fortune, is the sole cash for commercial center exchanges. Along these lines, Magic goes about as the save money for the whole trap of metaverses associated under the Fortune umbrella. One thing we really want to bring up at this stage is that Fortune and, likewise, Magic are, at last, in view of the Ethereum blockchain on the grounds that Arbitrum is a Layer 2 Ethereum scaling arrangement. This implies that Magic is a token, as opposed to a coin. While you could see references to such things as a Magic coin cost forecast, these things are off base. Something different worth focusing on is that Fortune and Magic are worked by a decentralized independent association. The DAO is managed by a group of 36 individuals, every one of whom give off an impression of being utilizing pen names. While this is entirely expected in the realm of crypto, all things considered, Bitcoin was established by the very likely pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. It could put off potential financial backers who need to have somebody they can consider mindful. Magic cost history. In any case, we should now investigate the Magic cost history. While it is critical to recollect that previous presentation ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can help us if we have any desire to one or the other make or decipher a Magic cost expectation. At the point when Magic originally went onto the open market in late 2021, it opened at 20 cents on the 18th of November that year. The symbolics cost advanced upwards and seemed to definitely stand out of numerous financial backers as it shut the year at $2.24. In any event, when things looked a piece flimsy for the crypto market in mid-2022, Magic had the option to fight its direction higher than ever in a bull run that finished in its untouched high of $6.32 on the 19th of February. Not long after, things began to slide as the token drooped to a day-to-day low of $2.92 directly following Russia's intrusion of Ukraine on the 24th of February. Be that as it may, late walk saw something of a rebound to an intermittent high of $3.94 on 1 and the 2nd of April. However, its cost declined again. Resellers' exchange disturbance saw Magic drop to a low of 21 cents on the 18th of June. Despite the fact that there was some recuperation from that point forward, Magic never at any point appeared to have the energy to undermine a revisitation of over the dollar. Regardless of breaking past 50 cents toward the beginning of November, the breakdown of the FTX crypto trade saw Magic tumble down to 22 cents on the 22nd of November. By early December, the news that the Coinbase trade was to add support for Magic aided give it a prominent lift, and by the 16th of December 2022, it was worth about 68 cents. At the hour of composing, there were a little north of 207 million Magic available for use out of a complete stock of 339,645,510. This gave the token a market cap of about $140.60, making it the 146th biggest crypto by that measurement. Magic cost expectation gathered together. With that completely far removed, we should investigate a portion of the magic cost expectations that were being made starting around the 16th of December 2022. It is critical to acknowledge as of now that cost estimates, particularly with regards to something as possibly unpredictable as digital money, regularly end up being incorrectly. Likewise, it merits recalling that some long-haul crypto value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that you should be ready for them to change immediately. Offered a fairly blended momentary magic crypto cost expectation that assessed the token could tumble to 60 cents by the 21st of December, after which it could ascend to 65 cents by the 15th of January 2023. In spite of that, the site's specialized examination was bullish, with 20 pointers conveying cheery messages contrasted with only 6 making negative ones. Took an undeniably more sure position with its magic symbolic cost forecast. The site recommended that the crypto could arrive at somewhat under $1.43 in 2023, preceding climbing to $2.54 in 2024. It illustrated a magic cost expectation for 2025 that proposed the token could exchange at $4.11 prior to climbing again to just shy of $6.66 by 2026. How much weight you give this specific forecast will rely upon whether, having directed your own exhaustive exploration, you accept that the crypto can be on twofold throughout the span of the following year and ascend by around 900% in 4 years. Had a magic cost conjecture that guaranteed the token could be valued at 79 cents this year, $1.64 1 year from now, and $2.29 the year after that. By 2025, the site figured magic could be valued at $2.85, then $3.55 in 2027 and $4.78 in 2028, preceding it could accomplish $6.84 at the end of the 10 years. The site then, at that point, made a magic cost expectation for 2030 that showed that the token could remain at $9.29 before it penetrated the $10 hindrance and could exchange at $12.73 in 2031. At long last, had a magic cost expectation for 2023 that appeared to mean catastrophe for the token and its financial backers. The site set out a possibly difficult a year ahead for magic, and contended it could plunge to a simple 10 cents by the 16th of December 1 year from now. While considering a magic symbolic cost expectation, it's essential to remember that cryptographic money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. In that capacity, examiners and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money coins and tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and central investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future return.